Hey, what up, everybody? Welcome to Alpha Adventures 1 YouTube page. Hey, check it out. Exit Sierra Avenue and go left or north. Pull into the Shell gas station. Don't forget your forest pass. You need a forest pass. Once you get to the trailhead, you'll see the parking. Go ahead and find your place to park and get ready for adventure. You head down the trail alongside the creek. You're gonna walk into an old riverbed, and as you can see, we ran into some longhorn sheep. A truly amazing sight to see. Please do not disturb them. On Australia, they have a very accurate map. Go ahead and download that and follow it. As you can see, we're headed up the side of that dried up creek into this area. There's a lot of marked signs. Once you get to the water, it's so refreshing. The homie Nick went ahead and took it upon himself to cool off. From there, just a short distance up, you'll go ahead and arrive at the main location, which is Bonita Falls, a beautiful sight to see. It truly is amazing. This waterfall alone is definitely worth the trek. It's not too long, not too hard, but definitely worth it up to this point. From Bonita Falls right there, we went up to the left and climbed up a bit to get this awesome view. Definitely worth it. Definitely a little bit sketchy. Coming down, there's 3 caves. Amazing caves. They don't look like they go too deep, but they're definitely worth a look and definitely a photo opportunity. There was 3 of them. Once satisfied with Bonita Falls, head back about 15-20 feet, then go to your left, which is also west. Go to your left, and then you climb straight up that canyon. It's definitely sketchy. On the alpha sketch level, it's definitely an 8 or a 9 rating. Be careful. Hey, always take a minute, look back, and check out these views. Don't forget to look back and enjoy the amazing views. Once up at the top of that, you will come down and then you will see this amazing waterfall, which is known as Upper Bonita Falls. This place is gorgeous. Upper Falls, it is a sight to see. Definitely worth that sketchy terrain that you got to go through. I mean, if you have the physical capabilities of getting back to this, I definitely highly recommend that you check this place out. It was definitely worth it. Such a hidden gem most people don't know about. As always, enjoy it, you know. On our way out, we ran into that family of longhorn sheep again. Truly amazing. Hey, this was my first YouTube upload. I'm definitely excited about this. In the comments, let me know what you thought. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, either way, let me know what you think. Follow us on Instagram at alpha_adventures1. And always remember, don't be scared, homie. Have fun.
Crazy ass fool.